everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the N26 app problems that appear after an update. First, restart the device to apply the update properly and refresh the system. On Android, go to your settings, then go to apps, then N26, then go to storage and clear cache. This removes any leftover data causing issues. Head over to your app store or Play Store and then update the app. Sometimes another patch is released quickly after a major update, so go to the App Store or Play Store and reinstall it. Ensure that your phone's operating system is up to date. If the app still has issues, long press on the N26 app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for the app and reinstall it again. Then log in after reinstallation. Always read the update notes. Some features may change after an update. That's how to fix the N26 app after update issues. Subscribe for more.